Hey, what is up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Monday Show. And in this episode of Monday Show, I have the unboxing of this new iPad smart case. You know that I already bought an iPad, so I needed an smart case, so I got this. This is not the original one that Apple sells, but it is pretty good, so I thought that why not to pick it. So I just picked it up and this is the unboxing. Let's see how much good quality it is. Okay, let's get this thing out of the box. And this is the Chinese version, some Chinese brand. And here, as you can see, the box is very lit and amazing. Here, as you can see, the box is looking very good. This is a Chinese brand. There is some variant of colors. There is the leather color, there is the black color, there is some the red colors, but I found that black is very good, so I just got the black one. Anyway, so this is about the box. Who cares the box, but I do care a little because I really like to get all the boxes. Anyway, let's put this thing out. Like, it is looking really like same to Apple. Like, as you can see, Apple logo, new iPad smart cover. So let's this thing go here, and this is the main content that we have. Smart cover for iPad. Oh, there is a foam also. That is good, that's really good. Who cares? Anyway, so this is the cover. There is the fabric and it looks very good. So here is the quality. As you can see from very near, the quality is pretty great and everything just matches like the perfect one that Apple sells. So this is the iPad and here is the Apple logo also. There is nothing says that from another brand. Everything looks like very Apple. Let me bring my iPad and let's put the iPad inside of this thing. Yes, I was just charging my iPad. Oh my gosh. So here's the iPad and this is the 2018 version. Let's put this thing inside, and as you can see, yes, very nice. Cancel. Okay, so here, as you can see, the smart cover is over, and if I pick the smart cover, screen just turns on. So that's a great thing that Apple cover sells. And there are some variation that you might, I'm not sure exactly, I never used this thing, so I'm not sure how to do this. Okay, I think that this is the way. Yes, this is one way, I think so, and there may be other ways. I'm literally a knob at this thing because I do not know how to use all the features. I think this is another way to use the cover, I think so. I'm not sure, but in my full review you may see the full review, and the quality is very durable right now, as you can see. So I need to use this thing for a couple months, but this is the initial review and all the things. And as you can see, when I pick this thing, this lights up, and when I drop this thing, and this thing only cost like $10 or something like that. The quality is very good, everything is very good. So here are the volume rockers. These are very smooth. As you can see, the volume rockers are very smooth and working really well. There is the power on, power off button. So as you can see, everything is pretty well. That's the reason I thought that why not to pick it up. So I just picked it up and it is running like a champ. Okay, let's use this thing, keep using this thing, drop this thing, and let's put this thing into charge. Let's see everything works or not, or what. So yes, confirmation charge using. So let's put this thing, and that's the end of our review. And I hope that you guys really enjoyed the review. If you guys really enjoyed the review, be sure to like, subscribe, or comment on anything that you may want to know, or for other unboxing on reviews you have to subscribe. And finally, goodbye.